Hello, wait. Help. I'm just fixing the camera at the moment. Oh, that's better. No. This camera does not want to turn. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Hello, everybody. I'm such a freaking dumb butt. I didn't do a face cam, do I? Oh, whatever. Let's just keep going. So today we're going to war. Yes, we're going to war. So, high detail. There you go. So, War Simulator. Let's play. So, oh yeah, I'm playing on a different account, so that's why I have wings. Let's not bother about that now. Go. No, I know. Okay. So, we're at the camp. There's a shop, you can buy more guns. Currently I have a pistol. I guess it works. I'm currently in World War I. Let's take a mission from this dude. Kill 7 commandos. Okay. Let's get a pistol out and shoot some dudes. Oh god. These aren't the commanders. Oh, I forgot commanders. Wait, commandos. Commandos are the dudes that they're like the end, like this. In this game, you have to kill a bunch of these guys. Ow. And when you kill them, you get money. And then, with the money, you buy upgrades. You get missions, and if you complete the missions, you get money. So, at first, there's just a line of the weakest ones there. Then they get a bit stronger. See, Trooper. Oh, that guy just died. See, Trooper is the weakest. Melee Trooper. Ow. Melee Trooper is the second weakest. I forgot who the other one is. Let me go check. Let's kill these guys. Oh, it's much harder on Xbox than, PCs and Xbox. Whatever, I'm out. Can you take care of these guys, person? Oh, this is a World War II thing. Like, currently I'm in World War I. And you can travel through different eras. There is World War I, World War II, Vietnam War, Oil Wars, don't know what that is. Actually, no, that's only the class of guns. There's a whole lot of things. Oh yeah, I remember the second strongest, dies now. I should kill that guy. Go away! Leave me alone. I'm recording a video here. There you go. Die. Okay, so the second strongest guys are up here. They are the heavy gunners, I think they're called. No, machine gunner. So these guys are the strongest. Second strongest. And then the strongest are in here. The commandos. And I have to kill 7 of those with this trashy gun. I have 357. I think that's enough to buy a different weapon. I think so, at least. This guy's just destroying them because he just went from World War II to World War I. I think. Yeah, he did. Stop crouching. You know I'm gonna kill you. I can stab you to death if I want to. I'm not going to. Actually, I am. Oh yeah, so when you die, you get the message of people who died in the real war. So Sam Smith, the sly army recruiter, convinced him to join the army with the promise of seeing exotic lands. All he has seen was the fighting. Now he will never see the beauty. Okay. It's what is going on. Oh, there you go. It's not allowing me to scroll. Whatever. World War One. Can I buy this? Oh, I can't buy the Moss and the Gaunt. Oh, there you go. Hello, Melee Trooper. Bye, Melee Trooper. Oh, that took 6 shots, and I only have 7 ammo. Or 7 shots, actually. Oh, that one actually took 5. Oh. Well. I'm gonna shoot this guy down. Sorry that the only game I play is Roblox. So if you have any suggestions for me that are not Fortnite or Minecraft, or any game you have to download, leave it in the comments below. And yeah. Oh wait, I think you can't hear me. Oh, whoops. Well, this will be a quiet video, like my old ones. Luke Williamson. He loved weapons of all kinds, and he fully believed that guns were the way to silence any problem. I guess he was the problem this time. Nice job. Nice job, Williams. No, I don't want to go. Okay. Buy upgrade. World War One. No, I don't want to buy the bar. I want to buy the Moss and the Gaunt. Done. There you go. I have. But I completely forgot about the name. Mainly because I was using a pistol and I don't really aim with that. So now I can just blast these guys' heads off. Even though this is the second strongest weapon, so. I mean, second weakest weapon. Oh, hello. Oh, I missed. Oh, God. Oh, stinky. Let's aim. And headshot you. Oh, one shot. I think someone else. Oh. I think someone else shot him. And then I shot him first, and then I shot. And then he shot him. And killed him. That's why I didn't get the kill. Oh yeah, the tanks. Yeah, that's right. Oof, the tank. So you haven't seen the tanks yet, but they do some pretty nasty damage. Oh, I thought this guy just died. I was wondering how he got shot down by a trooper. Okay, and then I'll aim at this guy's head. Oh my God. I completely forgot about reloading. Now I'm getting with that guy's head. I missed. I suck. On PC at least. 3. Let's throw some grenades. This doesn't really look like a grenade, but apparently it's a grenade. I have a gun and I'm not afraid to use it. No, let me headshot you to death. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, Martin Weston. He was drafted and absolutely hated it. He tried to defect several times, but he could never make it out. always being thwarted by something or another. I guess he made it out a different way. Yeah, he died. Oh, he lived such a short time. Did you see that? 1992 to 1816. I mean, 1892 to 1916. Oh, I was wondering why it was gray. The how expensive is 750? Okay, that's not much. Well, for me right now it is. But ow. Well. Did I do any damage? I did 36, that was trash with headshot. There we go. Ow. Ow, the troopers are shooting at me. Time to get into a trench. No, the trench is over there, never mind. Stay in the pit. I want to throw a grenade in there. And destroy you. Hi, die. There we go. There we go. They're all dead. Okay. Oh, this guy's gonna get obliterated. There you go, I stole that guy's kill. You're welcome. Oh, so close. This guy's gonna die with a... I didn't do it. I didn't do it. He got killed by himself. He shot himself. Meanwhile, I'm just shooting their heads. And I reload. Wow, wow.